Morning and welcome back to the channel. It was an early one today. I was up out the house probably by about 5:15. Um, yeah, after yesterday's flyby, I noticed this delivery, so I thought I wanted a better look at it. But then looking at it now doesn't make any difference to me. I mean, there's a couple of bits that I recognise, but there's a few that, well, that could be anything, could go anywhere. Yeah, so the idea is to have a closer look. Maybe you guys have got an idea from previous videos where the pieces will be going, what they're used for. I also noticed on the flyby video a couple of pieces of the cam structure, which that just made me think, and hopefully you guys will be able to help me out. Yeah, this is one of the things I wanted to talk about. Obviously, through the building of the two towers, it was always discussed that they were stairs and lifts or elevators, depending on where you are in the world. But I noticed this, and I'm guessing this is another lift shaft. All right, so we're going to have a fly around the rest of the site. So, this is it's a different angle for me because I normally take off and land from the opposite side of the stand in the turf car park. I've chosen a different takeoff and landing point so that I can keep the drone in sight as I need to do. So I'm actually by the university accommodation. Yeah, we're gonna have a little fly around. You can have a closer look from a different angle. We're also going to look at the Wrexham Lager site where the flatbeds are storing supplies. Just so you can have a little look, see what's there waiting to be fitted. Um, well, I don't think there's anything else to say about it, so I'll leave you to enjoy the video, hopefully, and maybe put a bit of an explanation as to what the steels are and why the extra lift shaft. Right, have a good day, everybody.